Hello everyone. As part of your home learning, we've set up an activity called Number Play. So because this is the first time of doing it, I thought I'd just do a really quick video to show you exactly what I mean and how to answer the questions. So question 1 says, show the number in as many ways as you can. So here you can see that I have started with my date, misaligned, title, misaligned, there's my learning, and I've showed the number just by writing the number 12. I have completed the 110 and 2 ones. Going over here, I've drawn an array of 12 dots. First of all, in 2s, and then in 6s, and as many different ways as you can, 3 across and 4 down, and then 4 across and 3 down. So that's 4 different arrays I've managed to do for the number 12. You can see here we've got a 10s and 1s grid. I've made 12 pence using 2 5p's and a 2p, and I've also made 12 pence using a 10p and a 2p. I've got a box of 10 crayons and 2 crayons all by themselves, and I've also partitioned the number 12 into a part whole model with 1 10 and 2 1s. You can use all of these ways to show your number 12, but can you think of any more? Excellent stuff. Right, the next one, we asked you to show fact families for that number. Right, so here are the fact families. We've got all the addition ones here. So 10 add 2 is 12, 2 add 10 is 12, and then we just switch it around so we have the whole first. 12 equals 10 add 2, 12 equals 2 add 10. So that's 4 different addition sums, and if we go over this way, you can see here then we've got 4 different subtraction or takeaway sums. Right, you have a go now. Hope you got on well with the fact families. Now it's time to do as many part whole models as you can. So we're partitioning 12 in as many different ways as we possibly can. So here I've started with 12 in the whole, and then I've got 12 as a part and 0 as a part. 0 and 12 make 12. Move along. Now I've got 11 and 1. 11 and 1 make 12. 10 and 2 are the parts. 10 and 2 make 12. I'll scan through the others. 9 and 3. 8 and 4. 7 and 5. 6 and 6. There are loads more. How many more can you find? Right, hope you got on really well with that partitioning. Please remember to send your learning in for us to see. Now the next one says, find half of the number, find quarter of the number, and find 3/4 of the number. Now this is not always possible, but have a go and find out if it is possible with the numbers that you are given every week. So, half of 12. Because we're splitting 12 into half, that means we're splitting it into 2 groups. 2 groups, share the 12 in amongst the 2 groups, and it equals 6. Don't forget, when you're sharing your 12 between the 2 groups, don't forget to do one group then the other group to make sure we share it equally. So I'd have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and of course in one group I've got 6, so half of 12 is 6. Now the next one says a quarter of 12. A quarter, that means we need to share 12 between 4 groups, and because we just want 1/4, we need to find out how many is in one of those groups. However, here it asks for 3/4 of 12. So now we need to find out how many are in 3 groups all together, and the answer is 9. 3, 6, 9. Great stuff. Those fractions are really tricky, so stick with it and keep practicing. The more you practice, the easier it'll be. Right, so the next question says, write a story with your number. Here's mine. Tom had 15 sweets. He gave 3 sweets to his friend. So he was left with 12 sweets, and 12 is the number that I needed to get to. Right, great. I hope you have written your story, which totaled the number 12 by the end of the story. And the final question was to find out which times tables your number's in. And in year 2, we look at the 2, the 5 and the 10s times table. So we're going to check to see which of those our number 12 is in. Okay, so first of all, I checked the 2 times table by just writing it out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and there is our number 12. 12 is definitely in the 2 times tables. Then I had a go at the 5 times tables. Do you think you'll find the number 12 in the 5 times table? 5, 10, 15. Well, I know that 12 is less than 15. So no, 12 wasn't in the 5 times table, and it never will be. And then I checked the 10s times table. 10, 20, we've passed 12. 12 is quite near to 10 here, isn't it? So we are not going to say the number 12 if we count in 10s, doing our 10s times table. So nope, there is no 12 in the 10 times table. Excellent. Right, it's your go now. Don't forget, present your learning nicely. We want to see it nice and neatly presented so we can read it and understand it and be proud of your learning. Then make sure you send us a photo. If you don't manage to answer all of the questions, don't worry, send us the bits that you do manage to complete. Well done, guys. Keep up the good learning. See you soon.